My favorite thing about these candles is the scent actually impacts the room. Super easy to light. They are soy-based with essential oils. I genuinely like all 4 scents. This apple pie one, true fall scent, vanilla forward to me. Perfect everyday scent. It lasts over 50 hours. It is that 7 ounces. The cinnamon one, definitely cinnamon forward, definitely in the spicy realm. The fall party to me is more masculine than the other flavors. And the vanilla is the most fruity. Maybe it's the pumpkin in there, but that's kind of how I'd compare the 4 scents. I would say they are strong without being overwhelming, and I do love that they come in this box. It's beautiful. It is a cotton wick, hand poured, and a soy, and they come well packaged in the styrofoam. They have a nice base. You can see the glass here. Beautiful packaging. Really happy with that overall. Honestly, I just can't wait to use these. It's time for those cozy fall nights. I love that it's a gift pack. I could totally give this to friends or keep one or give one at a time away. I love they have a long burn time and that they don't burn too quickly or lose their scent. Just that true seasonal fragrance. I hope you found this helpful. If it was, give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.